Phones are key to daily life, but issues happen. Ever wonder what restarting your phone really does? In this video, we'll break down how a reboot impacts Android and iPhone performance, plus share quick restart tips and extra maintenance tips. Let's dive in. Part 1. What does restarting your phone do? Clears system cache, reboots the operating system, addresses minor software issues, stops background processes, enhances network connections, rectifies unresponsive hardware, alleviates overheating. Part 2. If I reboot or restart my phone, will I lose everything? Rebooting your phone won't delete your data. Photos, apps, and contacts stay safe, but unsaved work and open apps might be lost. It's a quick, safe way to improve performance without resetting everything. Part 3. How often should you reboot your phone? Restarting your phone weekly closes apps, prevents memory leaks, reduces battery drain, and clears leftover data. This improves performance and extends battery life. Part 4. How to restart your phone directly. Press and hold the power button or power plus volume up buttons until the power menu appears. Tap restart or reboot if available. Optionally, tap power off and then turn it back on after a few seconds. Part 5. How to factory reset your phone. Factory reset your Android phone. Open Settings, go to System or General Management, select Reset Options, then choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Enter your PIN and confirm. Factory reset your iPhone. Back up your iPhone first. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode or Apple ID password and confirm.